Is this full body magnetic privacy case going to be worth it for the Z Fold 7? Let's find out. Starting off on the back, when it comes to protection, you do have a nice hard backing, so going to be great for shock absorption. When it comes to that lens area, you can see that there is a piece that pops out over them, so if you drop your phone lens side down, it's going to hit that popped out piece first and protect them. Coming over to the screen side, you have a tempered glass screen protector piece that you can put right on the front, so now you have full protection for your screen, and that is going to be a privacy screen protector, so if you turn your phone at an angle, people are not going to be able to see what you're doing. You've got full hinge protection here with that piece that does extend all the way throughout that hinge area, which also does turn into a kickstand, so now you can get your vertical viewing there if you want to unfold your phone and prop it up. There is also another kickstand on this case, and that's going to be on the back side, so you can actually work your finger into that little piece right here and flip it out, and now you can get your horizontal viewing. You can also unfold your phone with that kickstand too and get the full horizontal viewing too. So yeah, there's two kickstands on this case, which I think is really convenient because then there's two ways to view. And then of course the case is magnetic, so you can use all your MagSafe accessories and all that good stuff. It does have a nice MagSafe hold on it too. Overall though, I think this would be a great daily case for the Z Fold 7. It really has everything you need. You've got full body protection, you've got the really convenient kickstands as well, and it does come with two of them. And then of course it's MagSafe, so you have wireless charging capabilities, or putting this on a car mount. So yeah, overall it does come together to make a great Z Fold 7 case in my opinion.